In Nyeri, you were telling me that there is a lot of connection. What's happening now is that we're giving a brief. I want to thank the members of public in Nyeri. I also want to warn the criminals. The criminals, don't try it. You want gone away from Nyeri. It's like you are trying us again. When you come back here, the results are what you've seen behind here. You are lucky, very lucky criminals, that you are lied before court. But I want to say this. I want to say this, and I want this categorically to be known, that Nyeri is a no-go zone for the criminals. But if you want to give it a trial, please do it. Do it, and you'll get the same dose.